Instagram is the go-to social media platform that allows you to share photos and videos with your followers. It's free, easy to use, and has over 1 billion active users. It's further estimated that more than 40% of these users follow brands and businesses, which means you have an incredible opportunity to reach new customers at no extra cost. Merchants can sell their products through Instagram by using an easy e-commerce platform with many features and tools that make running your business much easier, such as Shopify. Hi guys, it's Barna here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell and keep their people. Picture this, you're a budding new business owner with a Shopify store, an Instagram account and a product line to die for. Your primary social media strategy is to post luxurious pictures of your products alongside captions such as "Buy me" and "Get them before they're gone." This strategy is sure to bring in the customers, right? Wrong. Shopify Instagram marketing is an art that many are yet to master. Don't worry, we're not here to dunk on Shopify stores. Recent stats show that the number of global consumers using Shopify merchants rose by 52% between 2019 and 2020. Clearly the platform is working wonders for many small business owners just like you. Having said this, marketing your store using Instagram is tricky and requires a little bit of marketing wisdom. The good news is that 80% of Instagram users follow a minimum of one business account, while 72% claim that they have purchased a product they discovered while using the platform. As the number of brands using Instagram increases, so too are the number of businesses that are struggling to differentiate themselves and catch the wandering eyes of web users. Potential customers don't want brands to inundate them with salesy language. Instead, they want to develop a special affinity with brands through storytelling, two-way engagement techniques, and unmissable offers that make them feel valued. So how can you make this happen using a killer Shopify Instagram marketing strategy? We've come up with a few fruitful tips to help you drive all those important sales to your home base. Let's jump right into it. The first tip is to make the most of influencers. Influencers represent a wonderfully cost-effective way to drive brand awareness, increase traffic to your e-commerce store, and ultimately increase profit via social media platforms. If you have a Shopify store and an Instagram account, investing in an influencer could help boost traffic across both platforms. Of course, you must research influencers carefully before partnering with them, as every influencer has their own niche set of followers, not all of whom are interested in your goods and services. So how can you go about finding the best influencer for your audience? Here are a few best practices. 1. Research well-known figures. Your industry niche is likely to contain a few influencers who your target audience knows well, so reach out to them and discuss options. 2. Assess the value of your influencers. You must evaluate how valuable individual influencers are before making a deal. Look for figures with high quality content, a significant number of followers, and a high engagement rate. And 3, check out competitor strategies. This could lead you towards a valuable pool of effective influencers. On to tip number 2. Use your Instagram feed to drive engagement, not sales. Social media users tend to avoid overly sales-driven messages, so rather than posting meaningless advertisements, we recommend building confidence and trust with your followers via content that actually adds value to their daily lives. Effective Instagram accounts sell a lifestyle rather than a product. You must, of course, incorporate images of your products in action. However, you don't need to push them too forcefully. Think photographs of influencers using your products, fascinating infographics, images that describe the best features of your services, or humorous profiles of your valued team members. Just remember to include professionally shot images that reflect your brand identity and effectively humanize your business operations. Another way to drive organic engagement on your feed is to use popular hashtags. Did you know that social media posts containing hashtags boost audience engagement by over 12%? Even better, it's super easy to find and incorporate hashtags used by your followers and key industry demographics. Simply draw up a list of hashtags that boast high engagement rates and use them to promote your posts. However, don't go overboard, as your post may be flagged as spam. Instead, sprinkle a few relevant hashtags across every post and remember to create different types of content with genuine value. Tip number 3, don't forget to use Instagram Stories function. Instagram Stories is one of the platform's most popular features. For marketers, creating stories is a bit like brushing your teeth in the morning, a simple step that could save you heaps of pain in the long term. If you're a little unsure of what you're talking about, stories allow businesses and regular Instagram users to share photos and videos in a montage format. Story content is differentiated from other posts by a thick border and the fact that it disappears after 24 hours of posting. The fleeting nature of story content encourages users to keep engaging with your brand, particularly if you have a track record of producing humorous, interesting, and aesthetically pleasing content. The fourth tip on our list is to create a shoppable Instagram feed. One of the best things about Shopify stores is that business owners can link them to their Instagram accounts. This means that you can direct Instagram users directly to your Shopify product pages using tags, and the best part is it's easy to do. Firstly, you will need an Instagram businesses account, a Facebook page, and a Facebook Business Manager account. Next, you will need to create a Facebook product catalog via your Shopify account. Once this catalog is up and running, you can select Instagram as another sales channel for your store, as this will allow you to tag products when creating content. When an Instagram user comes across a tag, they can click on it to view more product images, prices, and other relevant information. This is the perfect combination if you're hoping to drive sales. Even better, potential customers don't even have to leave the cozy confines of Instagram to browse your products. It is also possible to add an Instagram feed to your Shopify website. If you have a relatively healthy customer base and you're looking to bolster your social media following, this one is a no-brainer. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, be sure to hit that bell so you stay up to date with all of the latest videos delivered every week to your inbox. And finally, tip number 5, don't forget your bio. Many of us are guilty of spending most of our energy curating a fabulous feed while leaving our bio untouched. So to help us out, there are plenty of great bio features available on Instagram Business that could help enhance your marketing strategy. Firstly, you must ensure that you have listed a current contact email and phone number for your customers to use if they want to get in touch. It is also possible to add a link to your Shopify store from your bio. If you're feeling adventurous, you could also add a lead capture form to your bio. A simple instruction such as sign up to our newsletter and get 20% off your first order could spark the interest of savvy shoppers while boosting positive sentiment towards your brand. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with someone who you know needs help with their Shopify marketing. You can also subscribe to our blog where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people just like Neighborhood does. So that's it from me. Happy marketing.